Alrighty guys, so we're done. I don't want to walk on it too much, but I think we did a video before when the shed was still here, but no more shed. Everything's graded out. Took out like 2.5 dump trailers of mulch from stump grindings. There's still existing stumps, but there's so many tree roots and the customer doesn't want to mess up the trees by grinding any more of it out. So we worked with what we had, but it's a lot smoother out here and it's going to grow a lot of grass. So yep, and then they're going to have the HVAC techs out here tomorrow, so I'll probably have to come back and re-rake and see this path right here, because they're going to have them do some like foundation work or something. I don't know, but this is the front yard. Trim the bushes and it is done. Lots of grass seed. We actually weren't supposed to do the front, but I had enough left over. We just went ahead and did it, so a little extra for the customer. But thanks for watching, and check back in on the next one.